Are you ready for the fast approaching UPSC Prelims 2023 exam? Drishti IAS is pleased to announce the launch of its much-awaited IAS Prelims Current Affairs Crash Course 2023. Join us for a comprehensive coverage of current affairs through our IAS Prelims Current Affairs Crash Course led by Mr. Nishant Srivastava, a renowned faculty of Team Drishti. This course is designed to ensure fast-track and efficient coverage of the most important sources like The Hindu, The Indian Express, PIB, Yojana, Economic Survey and Budget, while keeping up with the latest UPSC trends. As a bonus, all students enrolling for this crash course will get a free access to 4 mock test papers of prelims, including 2 general studies and 2 CSAT papers via Drishti Learning App. Key features of the course are live online classes via Drishti Learning App, comprehensive coverage of year-long exam-relevant current affairs in 30+ classes. All classes will remain in the student's account till the end of course validity and can be viewed unlimited times. Free access to 4 mock tests of prelims, 2 general studies and 2 CSAT. Don't miss this opportunity to master current affairs for the upcoming UPSC Prelims 2023 with Drishti's IAS Prelims Current Affairs Crash Course. Course begins on 27th March 2023. Admissions open. Enroll now. For more details, click on the link given in the description below or download Drishti Learning App now.